Hi students, now please look at question number 10 of page number 204. Question number 10. Two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of a road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance of the poles, distance of the point from the poles. Okay, so here in question number 10, it is given two poles of equal heights, isn't it? So first we will draw two poles of equal heights are standing on either side of a road, isn't it? Are standing opposite each other on either side of a road which is 80 meter wide. So the width of the road is given, that is 80 meter. That is the total width of the road. On either side of the road there are two poles of equal heights. So let this be a pole. So its height, if we are taking h, so the height of this pole is also same, equal heights. Two poles of equal heights are standing on either side of a road which is 80 meter wide, isn't it? Now, from a point between them on the road, so in between them from a point on the road, so we can take a point. The angles of elevation of top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Okay, from a point on from a point between them on the road, the angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. So top of the poles from a point on the road, the angles of elevation is what? 60 degree and 30 degree. Okay, 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. If so, what's the question? Find the height of the poles. We have to find the height of the pole and the distances of the point from the poles. We have to find these distances also. Okay, so the total width of the road is given, that is 80 meter. So we can, when we are considering this triangle, let AB be the one of the pole and C be the point on the road and DE be the other pole. So when we are considering triangle ABC and CDE, the 80 meter is not suitable for both the triangles, isn't it? It's the total width of the road. So what we will do is, let AC be x. The length of AC be x. If so, what will be the length of CD? It will be, total length is 80. So if AC is x, then CD will be 80 minus x, isn't it? Now, before starting, which is a common side here? We have two triangles ABC and triangle ABC and triangle CDE. In both the triangle, which side can be considered as a common side? Here the common side is AB and BD. Since the height of both the poles are same, we can consider the common side as H, AB and BD. Okay. So we'll start now. First we will consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we can take tan 60, isn't it? Tan is opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 equal to opposite, that is AB by AC. We know the value of tan 60, it is root 3 equal to AB. AB is height h by x. The common side in both the triangles is h, so we have to make an equation using h, isn't it? So for that we will keep h alone here. So therefore h equal to, x will take to the other side, so that is x root 3. That is the equation 1. Okay. Now looking into the second triangle, in triangle CDE, isn't it? CDE, tan 30 is opposite by adjacent, isn't it? Opposite it is DE, by adjacent it is CD. Okay students, tan 30 its value it is 1 by root 3 equal to DE. What's the value of DE? DE it is H, isn't it? So H by CD, it is CD, the length is 80 minus X, isn't it? So that is 80 minus X. From the second triangle, we have to make an equation using the common side. Here the common side for both the triangles is H, isn't it? So for that we are going to make an equation using H. So therefore, H equal to, we'll take 80 minus X to this side. So that is equal to 80 minus X by root 3. This is equation 2. Okay. Now, from both the equations, from equation 1 and equation 2, we have H equal to X root 3 and H equal to 80 minus X by root 3, isn't it? So both the LHS, it is same, so we can equate the RHS. So from equation 1 and 2, X root 3 equal to 80 minus X by root 3. Okay. Now we can take X to the other side. So X root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 it is 3, isn't it? So that is 3x equal to 80 minus X. We can take this minus X to the other side. So it will become 3x plus X, that is 4x equal to 80. Therefore, finally the value of X is 80 by 4. That is 80 by 4. That is equal to what? 20. Isn't it? So we got the value of X, it is what? 20. So we got AC equal to, therefore AC equal to X, that is 20, and CD equal to, what is that? 80 minus X, that is 80 minus 20, that is 60, isn't it? Okay, so we got AC, that is X equal to 20, and CD, that is equal to 80 minus X, that is 80 minus 20, that is 60. Hope it is clear. And there is one more question. Find the height of the poles. Two questions are there, okay? The two questions are find the height of the pole and find the distance between, find the distance of this point from each of these poles. So the distance of this point from A, it is X, that is 20 we have got, and the distance of this point from D, that is 80 minus X, that is 60 we got. Now finally we need the height of the pole. Okay, height of the pole is what? H, isn't it? Therefore H equal to height of the pole. H is what? We can select here. This equation is simple, isn't it? So H equal to X root 3, already it is there. So H equal to X root 3. Here X is what? X we already found, that is 20, isn't it? That is 20 root 3 meter. So finally we got the height of the pole as well as the distance of the point from each poles. Hope it is clear. Take it to notebook, students.